What machines are used to make seltzers so fizzy and bubbly? To unlock the secret behind seltzer production, accurate 3D models have been created for three key machines in the process: the triple filter, the carbonator, and seltzer filling machine. Our seltzer production process begins with filtering New York water. As water enters the system, it first flows through a layer of sand that filters out larger contaminants like dirt and bugs, represented as red particles. Next, the water enters the charcoal filter. This filter uses activated charcoal to remove smaller contaminants such as odors, tastes, and some chemicals, represented as blue particles. The final step in the filtering process is the paper filter. The paper polisher captures any remaining particles, represented by yellow particles, that may have been missed by the previous filters. The water is now fully filtered and ready to be carbonated and bottled. The carbonator is at the heart of the seltzer production process, where CO2 enters to carbonate the water. Here's how it works. The power engine of the carbonator moves the crank arm, which converts circular motion to vertical movement, powering the pump and paddle. The pump in the carbonator draws triple-filtered, chilled water, 41 degrees Fahrenheit, from the chiller. Two valves inside the pump prevent water from going back the wrong way. The paddle inside the carbonator beats together CO2 and water together to create carbonic acid, H2CO3, for the fizzy seltzer. Low temperature, 41 degrees Fahrenheit, and high pressure, 65 psi, increase the solubility of CO2 in water, creating more H2CO3 and ensuring a consistent level of carbonation in each bottle. Siphons are filled with seltzer in the filling machine. The filling process involves alternating between releasing gas through the blue pipe and adding seltzer through the red pipe. The bell-shaped container in the pressure equalizer maintains a constant pressure of 65 psi to ensure optimal carbonation levels in the seltzer bottle. This gradual filling approach helps to prevent excessive pressure buildup in the bottle and ensures a secure and effective filling process. And there you have it. The secret to the fizzy and bubbly seltzer is revealed through these three key machines. From filtering to carbonating and filling, each machine plays a vital role in producing high-quality seltzer.